Welcome to Online Chanakya Academy. Standard 12th Commerce, Subject Accounts, Chapter number 4, Reconstruction of Partnership Firm. Now, next important topic is distribution of reserve and accumulated profit amongst the partner. Now, free reserve created from the divisible profit of a partnership firm and the balance of the accumulated profit are of current partner of the firm. यानी पार्टनरशिप फर्म में जितनी भी रिजर्व है या प्रॉफिट की accumulated प्रॉफिट की बैलेंस है वो करंट पार्टनर के लिए ही है. That belongs to current partner only. Now जनरल रिजर्व, वर्कर एक्सीडेंट कंपेंसेशन फंड आर कॉल्ड रिजर्व फंड. यानी जो जनरल रिजर्व और एक्सीडेंट कंपेंसेशन फंड है उसको रिजर्व फंड बोलते हैं और जो क्रेडिट बैलेंस ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस है दैट इज नोन एज अक्यूमुलेटेड प्रॉफिट. नाउ एट द टाइम ऑफ रिकंस्ट्रक्शन, एडमिशन और रिटायरमेंट this will be closed and credited to partners capital और current account. यानी जो भी रिजर्व्स हैं फर्म में उनके अकाउंट हम क्लोज करेंगे और क्लोज करने के बाद पार्टनर के कैपिटल और करंट अकाउंट में क्रेडिट साइड ट्रांसफर करेंगे. क्लियर? सेम एज इफ देयर इज अ डेबिट बैलेंस ऑफ प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस दैट इज अक्यूमुलेटेड लॉस. जिस तरह प्रॉफिट पार्टनर करंट पार्टनर को मिलता है, सेम एज इफ देयर इज अ लॉस then that is also belongs to existing partner and it will be distributed in old profit sharing ratio. Clear? Between partner, it means debited to partners capital or current account in their old profit sharing ratio. Now journal entry for transfer of accumulated profit and reserve fund. जैसे प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस, जनरल रिजर्व, कैपिटल रिजर्व, रिजर्व फंड सबकी क्रेडिट बैलेंस होती है. सो क्लोज करने के लिए हम डेबिट करेंगे एंड दैट ऑल विल बी ट्रांसफर टू ओल्ड पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट और करंट अकाउंट इन देयर ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो. इन देयर ओल्ड प्रॉफिट शेयरिंग रेशियो द एंट्री विल बी प्रॉफिट एंड लॉस अकाउंट डेबिट, जनरल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट, कैपिटल रिजर्व अकाउंट डेबिट, reserve fund account debit, contingency reserve account debit, workers accident compensation fund account debit, investment fluctuation fund account debit to old partners capital or current account credit in their old ratio. And second, if there is a loss having debit balance, so to close we have to credit all of the loss. So the entry will be old partners capital or current account debit to profit and loss account credit to advertisement campaign expense to other non written off revenue expenditure accounts credit. Example number 10. Ram and Rahim are the partners of a partnership firm. Profit and loss sharing ratio between them is 4:3. The following are the balance in the books of the firm as on 31st March 2017. Profit and loss having debit balance, reserve fund 42,000, worker profit sharing fund 27,000, worker accident 26,000. On the above date, Ram and Rahim decided on a new profit sharing ratio 1:1. Here new profit sharing ratio is not required. इसका कुछ भी काम नहीं है. ठीक है? A claim of 5,000 is outstanding against the worker accident compensation fund. यानी आपके पास जो टोटल 26,000 का compensation fund है उसमें से 5,000 रुपीज हमें पेड करने हैं. सो क्लेम कितना बचा आपके पास? 21,000. that will be distributed between partner in their old ratio 4:3. Same. One more important topic. Worker profit sharing fund is a liability. So worker profit sharing fund is not distributed between partner. Okay. Now we prepare journal entry. First, profit and loss. Which balance? Profit and loss having debit means loss. If there is a loss, then we have to debit partners capital accounts. लॉस की डेबिट बैलेंस है क्लोज करने के लिए क्रेडिट करेंगे और 14,000 डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करेंगे 4:3 ओल्ड रेशियो में. ओके, सो द एंट्री विल बी राम्स कैपिटल अकाउंट डेबिट 8,000, Rahim's capital account debit 6,000, to profit and loss account credit 14,000. Being the profit and loss debit balance is distributed between existing partner in their old profit sharing ratio. Next, reserve fund. Reserve fund is having credit balance. So to close, we have to debit it and it will be given to partner. So the entry will be reserve fund account debit 42,000, to Ram's capital account 24,000, to Rahim's capital account credit. Clear? And which ratio? In their old profit sharing ratio. Old ratio, that means 4:2. So this amount will be distributed between old partners in their old profit sharing ratio, means 42,000 into 4 divided by 7. It means 24,000, and the remaining amount will be transferred to Rahim 18,000. Any confusion? And worker profit sharing fund is not distributed. And last one, accident compensation fund, same in the old ratio 4:3. Worker accident fund is a reserve fund having credit balance, so we have to debit. Worker accident compensation fund account debit 21,000, to Ram's capital account credit 12,000, to Rahim's capital account credit 9,000. In which ratio? 4:3, means 21,000 into 4 by 7, 12,000, 21,000 into 3 by 7, 9,000.